Today's video is on the Parser or Parser drill, which is an unusual bifurcated drill, probably in use from the medieval period onwards, and it was used to make any shape hole in bone and antler or wood. And if you've ever seen intricate bone inlays in handles, they're usually done with a Parser drill. And it works by using a former. In this case we've got a diamond shape, and we're going to drill this piece of wood. I've sprayed it black so we can see the machined bit a little bit better. So we'll give it a whirl and hope it works. Set the prongs in and work it backwards and forwards. Let's have a look. Just a little bit off there. Try to get the top bit done. It is basically a type of travelling tool. And there we have it. It's machined out the shape of a heart. The Parser drill.